Hey loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am Deadfu Masalela. If you're here for the first time, please feel at home and enjoy. If you're a regular, honey, you know I've got endless stuff for you. So today, guys, I'm actually excited. Like, I managed to convince a few people to purchase some items in my thrift store.
Oh my god, wow!
Using that video, my previous video. If you haven't watched it, please do so, because you won't regret it, honey, and you might find yourself hitting me up and be like, baby girl, I want something. You know what I'm saying? But so today I was having a busy day, right? And I decided, no, let me just get groceries online, because I don't like going to the store when like I need a few things, unless I want to do like my full grocery. I got a few items, and as I was saying, I got it online, right? I used my Uber app and I got them from Game, right? So I really recommend like online shopping, because I was having a busy day, so you're like able to do your own things while someone is getting your stuff for you, baby girl, baby boy, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, what's another pro? That's actually the only pro.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Because I'm not happy. First of all, I didn't like the packaging, which is a plastic bag. I'm just being dramatic, but yeah, I don't like that packaging. Secondly, things are so limited. Like, I couldn't get my meat, couldn't get my vegetables, my fruits, and that's just like no. And then other things are there, but not all of them. Like, for instance, I had to buy white rice, where else I prefer brown rice. I had to buy Kellogg's noodles, where else I prefer the Maggi ones. And I had to buy a whole nut chocolate when I love ramen raisin. So it's just like, ouch, like why, you know what I'm saying? But so yeah, that was my experience with buying groceries online at Game. I'm not gonna criticize them, I'm not trying to compare them to other stores, you know, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this thing again with them. And the delivery part, the guy or dad, he was very friendly, because I remember calling him. I'm like, oh, I'm running late, trying to explain myself, and he was so chill, just like, no sissy, don't worry, I'm doing my job and all of that, you know, like they're so sweet.
Okay.
And also he took like less than 30 minutes or so. So yeah, otherwise guys, the night is still young on my side. Well, it's not such a nice or lovely young, because it's assignment and studying, honey. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Oh, and I have a test. Oh my gosh, I feel like crying. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Now bye, take care. Hey babies, welcome. It's Monday evening. Yo, so I wrote the test earlier, guys. It was hectic, so let's not talk about a test, okay? And I looked so cute, like I looked so beautiful for the test to do me dirty like that. I mean, look at this. So yeah, so I finished writing, then I went straight to Paru to get a few things that I've like been wanting for a very long time. Hopefully they're gonna do what I want them to do, because I'm trying to make the space look nice, but then step by step, because I'm working with a budget. So from Pep Home, I got these stickers. You see them properly, because I'll show you guys the final thingy, like how it looks like. So I bought this mainly because of this hole behind me. Look at this, you see this? I don't want that, so that's why I got these. Plus they're very nice, so I'm gonna use one butterfly just to hide the hole, because it's supposed to be a towel wrap, but then they broke it. I don't know what's going on, but then I'm not loving the hole, so something had to be done. Secondly, I got a diffuser. I've been having this I've been having this baby for quite a long time. This one, like since first year. It's just not gonna get finished and I'm tired, so I rather use them both because this is also nice for the aesthetic. I mean, but you're gonna see it, okay? And then I got me this because what is this, soap holder or what? Yes, soap dish. I got it because I don't know what I did with my previous one. I also don't know what I did with my previous shower cap, so got me a new one. I'm not loving the colors, but then it was affordable and it's a shower cap anyway, so why not? We are still on Pep Home, right? So I got this under bed storage. Hopefully it's gonna do what I want to do with it. Like, I'm not sure of what I want to do with it because I'm thinking of using it for my shoes, but again, I'm just not sure. But I know that I need a storage thingy, so yeah, but you'll see how I'm gonna use it. I got this adhesive roll. Hopefully it's gonna be enough because there was only one gray one and other colors that won't complement my room, so hopefully it's gonna be enough. And then I got this cutting board. I mean, I don't have one, so I just decided to be a good girl. Plus I'm gonna be doing kitchen vlogs. Did I say kitchen vlogs? Okay, maybe it is kitchen vlogs, but I mean kitchen videos, like cook with me type of thingy, because I did one shot and I think I'm loving it, so I'm gonna do more of those. And obviously I've got to have my things ready, which is why I got the chopping board. Then from Mimikyu, not sure if you guys know Mimikyu. Oh, where's the other one? No ways. Okay, sorry about that. So from Mimikyu, I got this necklace. It's a T. Ooh, it's a T. And then I've got my Aries here. Y'all know I'm in Aries, right? So yeah, here. So yeah, I own a lot of chokers and necklaces that I no longer like, so I just decided, I saw these and I was like, oh, I love, because I'm T and I'm an Aries, so for no reason I just got them and I'm in love. And then I got myself a mascara because I'm running out of mascara. Got myself these nail, what are they, nail filers? Where is it written, just to be sure? But yeah, you know this, you know, for the nails. And then I got this brush for like contouring properly because I lost my other one, so I just had to make a plan. Yeah, I forgot this when I was busy with Pep Home, so I got my yoga mat at Pep Home. You know what this means, right? We're gonna start with our fitness journey. Okay, I've started, but then just to do it with you guys, of which I have the other things. I have my wheel, I've got my bands, and yeah, and I think we're gonna be doing like exercises that don't require like a lot of gym appliances, you know. So yeah, I'm so excited. And last, I've got my baby here, rug or carpet, whatever you wanna call it. I got it from Chinatown. Yes, Chinatown. I got it for like 200 bucks, and I wanted to get this from Take a Lot, but then I just have insecurities with size and all of that, of which I'm still not happy about. I feel like this is small, but then it's okay. I'll just see how it looks like and how I make. So I'm in love with this mat, right? Because I've been wanting to do like clothing hauls and all of that, like show you guys my shoes and everything. And yo, if you guys could see the floor, this institution, guys, like it's bad. So now that I have my mat, I'll just work around that and give you guys some proper content, you know. Even though the walls, I'm not loving the brown thingy, you guys will know what I'm talking about. I mean, if you watched my previous hauls and everything, then you probably know what I'm talking about, the brown thingy. So yeah, but hopefully it's gonna make a difference. Otherwise, I have my cheap roll here, and I've got my panados, which I'm gonna take now because it's been a long day. The test, I will see you when, I don't know, whenever like I've put everything in. So as you guys can see, we have closed the hole because I told you I don't really care about this thingy, the words "be your own kind of beautiful." I don't really care about them, but I wanted to close the hole, and there you have it. It looks proper. So yeah, and for the carpet, you guys can see for yourself, it's popping. There's a huge difference because the floor is not giving, child. Like, it is not. As you guys can see, I'm not even capping, like that's just how it looks like. So that's it on the bad side. One thing about this diffuser, it is too strong, honey, too strong. As you guys can see, I only inserted two reeds or sticks if that's what we're gonna call it, just to reduce the smell because it's too strong for me. But yep, this is my diffuser. So pretty. Can you guys see the inside? These things, so pretty. Let me try to move it so that you guys can see. These things, yeah. Moving to my board, we've got my beautiful mom here, we've got my timetable, we've got my rules and regulations, we've got my stars, my beautifuls, have me. So that's it on my board. Now let's move to my desk. Now moving to my desk, as you guys can see, there's this light which I found here, but then I have my own because I don't like that one. I don't like the lighting. So yes, this is my desk. And then yeah, I got this stand at Pep Home, by the way, in case you're wondering. My desktop stand or monitor stand, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I got it at Pep. Oh, and can you guys see the adhesive, as I was saying? So here is the adhesive roll paper. It really came true for the girl because ciao, these tables were, oh my god, it's a pity I didn't show you guys the before picture, but I'll try to insert it so that you guys can see how it looked like before. Underneath, this is where I place my groceries. It's a lot. You guys won't see because it goes up to there at the back. So yeah. and there's my closet. I'm not gonna show y'all inside for no reason, but then yeah, I'm not gonna show y'all. So yep, that's it. And last, we've got my ugly chair there. Not ugly, but if I had like space, I would put a table or something and just have a nice aesthetic section, you know. But yeah, there I have it. Have my broom and mop and my thingy. Oh, and under my chair we've got my bin there. Yep, that's my bin, and that's it. Hi, that's me again. So today I went to buy my meat and fruits, but I'm just looking for training shoes, okay, because I also need them. So yeah, otherwise that's my fit for today. And do you see the necklace, the tea? It's giving honey.